All right, let's go over a little bit of dividing decimals, specifically on the entry using MathXL. So we get started on the problem, on the assignment, and let's see, what do we got here? Okay, the first problem, that's question 14 from the workbook, is divide, write the missing numbers, and we're looking like we're doing 5,534 divided by 62. Okay, so we need to go through and say, okay, well, what is how many times does 62 go in 5? Nope. 55? Nope. 553? Well, that's a good question. How many times does it go into 553? Does it go into 10 times? No, that's too big of a number. That'd be 520. But if you take 10 off of that, you get something like 558. So not 9 times either. It'd probably be 8 times, right? So what is 8 times 62? Well, you can do work on your scratch paper, and you find that that is 496. So you click on the space, tap an 8, and then go down here and do 4. Now click on each of the cells, 9 and 6. Okay, now we do our subtraction. So we do 553 minus 496. 3 minus 6, now got to borrow. So we have 13. Again, you're working this out on your scratch paper. 13 minus 6 is 7. And remember, this is a 4. So we have 4 minus 9. No, got to borrow 1 over. So it's 14 minus 9, which is 5. And we can look at that and check that. We have 53 up here, 53 above, 4 below, 57. Great. So now we got to drop the 4 down. So we drop that 4 down. Now we're like, okay, how many times does 62 go into 574? Notice it's bigger this time. So yeah, 9's going to work. This time, it'll go in 9 times wholly. And 9 times 62 is 500. Remember, click on your spaces, 58. So does that match? See, they gave us a little hint down there. Does that match up? Yeah. 4, regroup, get a 14 minus 8 is 6. This is a 6. 6 minus 5 as 1. So we have a remainder of 16. And there's a little example of doing your data entry. We check our answer. Let's do it. Cross your fingers. Oh, yeah, we got it right. Sweet. That's fantastic. So then you'll move on to your next question. Now that we checked, you always check your answer. And here they're asking us to do it again. Divide. So we want to do 2,937 divided by 24. And what they're doing is they're asking us, select the correct choice. Well, it's either going to be a whole number with a remainder, or it's just going to be a whole number. So if you think there's a remainder, if you get something other for 0 than a remainder, you'll need to click this space, and then you can fill in your answer there. But if you do the division and find that what you're left with, the quotient is a whole number, right? It says type a whole number. You would type a whole number there. Okay? We're learning how to use our online, our MathXL online, and I just want to share a little quick example. Hopefully it helps.